So Kayla wants an anchor in this little guy's bedroom. So I got this piece of wood and I drew a anchor and extruded it and did the tool pads for it. Now I come out and grab the CNC. Gotta wheel it out there so it doesn't get super dusty in here. Good thing it's on big old wheels. Plug it in. Get the computer out. Got the computer up. Now you just gotta put these little clamps on there and clamp this board down. Put the files on a thumb drive. Put the thumb drive into the computer. Turn on the motor controller. And find it. There's the anchor cutout. Open that. And have it load it. There's my anchor. Now I can zero the machine to where I want it. So now I've got the machine zeroed. There's the anchor. Just flip it on. It tends to be quieter if you watch it from in here.
And warmer.
Alright, it's on its last pass now, and you can see that it's going up and down, making little tabs. So it's all done. Computer got a little dusty. It's alright though. You wanna play? Huh? Now I can just move the machine over here. It's a really nice location with the hang off to change the bit. And I've got most of my bits in here. I want to do a beveled edge, so I'm going to use this 3/4 90-degree angle. Okay, got my other bit in there, and now it's ready to go. Alright, got the G-code loaded for the bevel pass. It's pretty cool because the machine still knows exactly where it is, even though I moved it around after having done the last cut. Okay, now the whole thing's done and I just have to take it out of the clamps and pop it out. The next morning I cut out a Mancala board for my friend Andrew, and here's a few little videos of that. This is a tapered ball nose bit. The diameter of the ball on the end is only a 64th of an inch, so it's a really really fine one, which is pretty cool because it cuts and it comes out pretty smooth in the end. But it had to step over a few hundred times in order to go over that 6-inch Mancala board. Here it is, getting it cut out. And I also cut out we just had a baby 3 months ago. His name's Graham, and so we cut out his name to put up above his crib in his nursery. Cut it out of some dark walnut because that's the same wood that I used for the crib. Here I am putting some of the Danish oil. It has that dark walnut stain mixed in with it. This is going to match the crib. All the letters are going up on a shelf right above the crib. There's all the letters up on the shelf. We did not build that shelf. It came in the apartment. There's the anchors that I put kind of on the back of the letters just in case you were worried that the letters would fall off in the crib. They definitely won't. And there's the crib. You can see the crib that I built in another video when I did all the mortise and tenons for it on the CNC. There's the anchor hanging on the wall. Hung it in the corner above the glider in the nursery. It turned out looking really good with the Danish oil on it, and there's kind of a little shot of more of the nursery. You can see the pictures my wife hung up and things. This is the Mancala board. This is actually before I put oil on it, but I put some hinges onto it, sanded it up and things, and it turned out really cool. It's very functional, and the holes are a little deeper than the one that I'm used to playing on, and so it'll hold all the little beads and things better. So turned out well.